Hi, I'm Wendy Manning, the Howard E. and Penny Daum Aldrich Professor of Sociology at Bowling Green State University. I'm a demographer who uses census data to study family change in the United States. And here at BG, we train students to use these data with our excellent faculty and resources. The US Census is conducted every decade and counts all residents of the US. We are in the midst of the 24th census. The first occurred in 1790 when there were only 3 million residents and US Marshals collected the data. In sharp contrast, today there are over 100 times more people, estimated at about 330 million, and the census is conducted largely via the internet and includes phone and mailback options with in-person follow-ups. The US is unique because the census is enshrined in our Constitution as a new form of representative government based on states' population. This continues today as our primary motivation for the census, and these population counts are used to determine state representation in DC. So it's important to count every resident to ensure our voices are heard. But the census also counts for at the local level, as they are used to establish social and voting district boundaries. At the same time, another important use of census data is for planning and the distribution of federal and state funds. We need to know where people are living to best determine where to build businesses, schools, hospitals, roads, and homes. Especially important today is that the census helps the nation respond to disasters and produces timely local data critical to emergency planning, preparedness, and recovery efforts. Census data guide how and where over $1.5 trillion a year are spent to meet the needs of our population. These planning and spending decisions are critical to our well-being. The census helps shape our future, and at Bowling Green State University, we are leaders in the use and dissemination of census data. Thank you.